How to share live location on Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can share live location on Google Maps. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Maps app. So I will simply click on Maps app. Once you click here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click here you guys will see your profile, your timeline, location sharing. So simply click on location sharing. Once you click on location sharing, here you guys will see share location. So simply click on share location. Once you click on share location, you guys will see for 1 hour until you turn this off. So if you want to share your live location for 1 hour, and if you want to share like unlimited, like until you off it, so for that you will simply click on until you turn off it. After that you can select the contact you want to share, and once you click on that you guys will see a link, so you can copy that link and share to anyone you want to share location with. Thanks for watching.